Hi beauties, welcome back. The TirTir Ceramic Milk Ampoule presents itself as a multifaceted skincare solution, promising to address various skin concerns and deliver a radiant, hydrated complexion. Let's delve deeper into its formulation, benefits, usage instructions, and overall suitability. Formulation and benefits. The ampoule boasts a high nutrient formula with an elastic hydration glow coating aimed at providing deep nourishment and moisture retention for the skin. Key ingredients like the plant-based vegan milk complex and lactobacillus. Soy milk fermentation filtrate offer intense hydration, leaving the skin feeling supple and well-hydrated instantly. Additionally, the inclusion of squalane, rice bran extract, and nourishing milk complex derived from nature further enhances the product's ability to fortify the skin barrier, shield against free radicals, and promote a clear, radiant complexion. These components work in harmony to strengthen the skin's resilience and impart a coveted glass skin look. The ampoule's non-greasy formula, attributed to ingredients like soybean fermented extract, clover fermented extract, and licorice root fermented extract, ensures enhanced absorption and long-lasting hydration without clogging pores. This blend of moisturizing and soothing agents undergoes a fermentation process, breaking down into smaller, more effective particles for optimal skincare benefits. Usage instructions. To maximize the efficacy of the TirTir Ceramic Milk Ampoule, it is recommended to shake the bottle well to ensure thorough mixing of ingredients. Dispense the product by pressing the pump on top of the handle and turning to open. Then, gently apply the ampoule onto the face, spreading it in outward motions and lightly pressing it into the skin for optimal absorption. My final thoughts. This ampoule offers a plethora of benefits. It may not be suitable for individuals with oily, sensitive skin due to its rich, heavy consistency. Additionally, those sensitive to fragrance may find the product unsuitable. One drawback worth noting is the relatively small size of the product compared to its price, which may deter some potential buyers. Expanding the quantity to match the price point would make it a more appealing option for consumers seeking value for money. In conclusion, the TirTir Ceramic Milk Ampoule presents itself as a promising skincare powerhouse. With a few adjustments to address concerns regarding skin type suitability and product quantity,